So I think this was pretty obvious that this was going to happen, but I've been following this case as of recently, so I want to go ahead and give the conclusion of it. So eBay has rejected the GameStop CEO Ryan Cohen's official offer to buy eBay. It didn't make any logical sense. I mean, at the end of the day, the guy has a company worth $11 billion dollars, and eBay is worth over $50 billion. So the realistic possibility just wasn't there, and because of that, it got rejected in the end. Here's what they sent the CEO of GameStop rejecting his proposal. He says, "Dear Mr. Cohen, the board, with the support of independent advisors, has thoroughly reviewed your proposal and determined to reject it. We have concluded that your proposal is neither credible nor attractive." So the way they're saying that kind of makes it seem like they're saying like your offer was a joke. Like we didn't, you setting this offer, this proposal to us to buy our company makes no logical sense at all, and it's just like a bad joke. It's like a prank. It's just a prank, bro. That's all this was in the end, just a prank, I guess. We have taken into account the factors as eBay standalone prospects, the uncertainty regarding your financing proposal, the impact of your proposal on eBay's long-term growth and profitability, the leverage, operational risk, and leadership structure of a combined entity, the resulting implications of these factors on valuation, and GameStop's governance and executive incentives. I'm sorry, I just paused real fast, not because I couldn't read the word. Hold the fluff up. Can we go back for a second? Leadership structure of a combined entity. Low-key, they're saying he's not a good leader. Low-key, they're like, yeah, we don't think you could lead us. We don't think we have faith that you could lead us through anything. Sorry, my bad. I had to pause real fast as I was reading that just because of that. But anyway, eBay is strong, resilient business that has delivered meaningful results over the past several years. We have sharpened our strategic focus, strengthened execution, enhanced our market and seller experience, and consistently returned capital to shareholders. With its differential... Wait, hold up. I should stop reading my thing here. I should start reading this. Differentiated global marketplace and a clear strategy, eBay's board is confident that the company, under its current management term, is well positioned to continue to drive sustainable growth, execute with this discipline, and deliver long-term value to our shareholders. Our team remains focused on executing our strategy and driving our business forward in the best interest of the company and our shareholders and our employees and millions of buyers and sellers around the world. Okay. Yeah. I think at the end of the day, this was a big, you're not qualified to even come close to owning us, / even having any ownership at all in eBay. So, at the end of the day, Ryan Cohen, good try, bud. Think you might have just took the L here, and I think eBay just absolutely threw you down the road because that's just not going to happen. But, hey, I guess at least he tried, right? That's really what it comes down to at the end of the day, is at least he tried, you know? Just like how I tried reading this whole thing through my teleprompter thing. I don't know why. For some reason, if you're wondering why I butchered some of those words, it's because instead of looking at my screen, I'm looking at my teleprompter. It's on my iPad, so I can I don't know. It's supposed to make it so you can see it better and read it better. I'm not used to it. Whatever. Beside the point. But apologize for that. I know I'm getting comments, people saying you can't read right. No, I'm literally reading a teleprompter thing. It's weird. But yeah, so shout out to at least him trying, but he failed. And failed it was. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.